myself Devjith. I graduated from NSS College of Engineering Palakkad in the year 2024, and then I joined IIES Bangalore for my PG diploma in embedded systems. Here I got to know about embedded systems in depth, and I have hands-on experience on different microcontrollers. I also got to study about embedded firmware development from here. After completion of my course, I got placed in Alten India as automation test engineer with a package of 3.75 LPA. I have sincere gratitude towards IIES faculty and management for guiding me on my career path. Thank you.